Welcome guys, I will show you how to download and use ASI files like menu. First go and download the files you want. This can be from the X Force server, dashboard or from our website like I shown. When you have the files you want, put them in the plugins folder from X Force, like I do. When you have done this, go in GTA and inject the menu. Now open the menu and navigate to scripts, and you will see your files there. Just press them and wait a second. Now you can open the ASI files with F6, F4, F3, or any other button. This depends on the file you have downloaded. You can use this online, but it's against the ToS of GTA and can get you banned. PS, don't use money options.